Need a random topic? Online financial advisors it is then! There is a wealth of research that shows that low wealth results in increased gambling, and gambling houses are more than happy to scratch that itch. So it's no surprise that a plummeting economy plus cost of living crisis equals more financial advisors in your social media feed. They are not a new phenomenon by any means, but people's increased searches for financial advice falls in the SEO net of these individuals, forcing YouTube to promote their content due to its increased popularity. So how do you spot these scam artists? They claim their advice works with no actual proof. If there's no statistical evidence showing that the advice works, especially evidence that's gathered and reviewed by third parties, then it's probably a fake, flaunting their wealth, real or fake. People's circumstances are vastly different, so a formula that worked for one person that's now on YouTube doesn't really apply to everybody. X simple steps. If X simple steps existed to a financial independence, there would be 0 people with financial issues. Testimonies on their website or channel. They are usually unverified, very few, and provide no proof of authenticity. Genuine testimonies have to be plentiful, and preferably exist on multiple platforms where the validity of these claimants can be verified. And finally, by far my favorite of them all, buy my course. If you're financially independent and pull enough income to own supercars, do you really need the extra $200, $2,000 from some stranger that you know is struggling in order to help them out? Casinos and individuals prey on the same human traits, desperation, and hope. Both operations are very lucrative, and they are fully legal in most jurisdictions. If you want a more in-depth video on the topic, I unfortunately don't have a financial courses specific one, but there is one on influencer courses. Topic is slightly different, but the approach and tactics are identical. So I highly recommend you check it out. And if you want actual financial advice, you can buy my course for the low value of $420 and you can have a look at the financial diet. I don't agree with everything Chelsea says, but she offers diverse advice and it's your job to choose the one that works for you. And remember, the #1 cheat code to life is to learn the difference between the things that actually work for you and the things that you were told should. Right, end of the video. Peace.